I woke up and I decided to put on a fur coat so I can share this message with you. It's Father's Day. Let's as fathers are celebrating the fruits of being fathers. Not social media dads who are gladly not dads, social media spam donors who are only fathers on social media when there's barely a trace of their existence in their children's lives. And their excuse is, umama umntwana akafuni ngibona umntwana. Abo baba serious? Abo baba ingane abantu abaziyo ukuthi bazele okusikayo kubo mama ngambona umntanabo bagijima ama-coach ukuthi loya mfazi ngiyomlwisa even if it's the last thing I do because umntanami and no child of mine will grow up without a father. But ke asikho lapho into nje ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi mangabe bongekho elifini yomntwana kwadlula iminyaka neminyaka awusasubaba wena. Even if you do decide to resurface or take on responsibility, uncle, you are going to be Uncle Smangmang. My husband and myself will father and mother our children. When? Uncle.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ukheli Khumalo drags uJob laphana enkondleni yokuxhumana ku-TikTok umdraga ngevideo yakhe la endile. We know ukuthi today it's Father's Day and Ukheli Khumalo and uJob banemntwana or they share sana together. So uhambe waye laphana ku-TikTok wayokhuluma uKheli Khumalo ukuthi labanye bobaba bama-step bemdona abasibo nje bobabe bangobabe bakubo social media kuphela. Wakhuluma ukuthi ngisho ungahamba iminyaka empilweni yemntwana utshele ukuthi sowutobuya awudlala inzima yokuba ngibabe emntwaneni wakho kodwa uthi nje ushaye phansi kwashunquthulu because ayikho nje leyo. Uma ungahamba iminyaka unyamalala empilweni yomntwana uma ubuya ubuya ungu-uncle, uma ubuya empilweni yomntwana ubuya ungu-uncle. Ayikho le nto yokuthi ubuya ube ngibabe. Uthi yena nemyeni wakhe batokukhulisela umntwana. So abantu abaningi they did see ukuthi lena ngathi ibhekiswe nguJob or most people were saying ukuthi hayi iyamgudla ke nyalo ingwenya igudla uJob. So most people were saying ukuthi lana siyabona ukuthi kukhulunywa ngaJob, siyabona ukuthi ngibani lekukhulunywa ngaye. Like she even said ukuthi uve baba umntwana athi ina mina yima kwemntwana makafuni ngisonzele eduzane nemntwana mayikho nje loyo. You know ukuthi why bangafuni usonzele emntwaneni. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.